Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. I hope you have seen the previous video in which I told you the beauty of Vedic mathematics, that is the method of vertically and crosswise and how you can square numbers using that amazing method of Vedic maths. And in this video there is one more very interesting and important method which I am going to take up for squaring numbers. This is the method of squaring numbers using the identity, and the identity which I am going to use is simple identity of a plus b whole square. Now when I do this on the board, you will not realize that I am using the identity, and that's what I want. You just need the method, right? So if you use the method, you need to solve 30-40 questions and then you will feel comfortable with the method. And using this, you can square any number up to 300. That's because you should know squares up to 30. So if you know them by heart, then this method is going to work for squaring numbers up to 300. And this video is a part of the chapter number 4, simplify squares, cubes and their roots. That means squares, cubes, square roots and cube roots. Everything is going to be simplified in this particular chapter. So watch the complete video to learn something really useful. And I tell you what, this particular trick is a part of our ebook of short tricks, and which comes at a very nominal cost and very useful for all the school students who are watching this video. You need to study from the ebook of short tricks right from class 4-5 onwards and develop those tendencies which are required to crack the higher competitive exams. So when you grow up, when you go in class 9, 10, 11, 12, appear in the university entrance exams and the placement exams after you enter your professional life, this is going to matter a lot. And that's why I keep on telling the parents, the students, go for this. How do you get a copy of this? WhatsApp. This is the number 9896369963. You find this WhatsApp number in the description of this video as well. So friends, can you understand the concept behind this trick now? Let's see. So when I talk about the concept, let me tell you the concept using a 2-digit number. Suppose I have the number like 46 and I want to square that. Now this is, for me this is A and for me this is B. So this is practically 40 plus 6 whole square. So I am considering it as 40 plus 6 whole square. But you will not realize when you do the steps, it is like it's so easy. So what do I do? If I know the identity a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, then you should know what is a square, you should know what is b square and you should know what is 2ab. So if you know these three terms, then square of 46 is not going to bother you. Why? Because a square 4 square is 16, b square 6 square is 36. Write these two squares with each other like this, but this is not the final answer, right? Because we are still missing out on 2ab. So where do you write 2ab? And before I write 2ab, let me tell you one more thing. Here b is 6, so I get the square of 6 as 36. Now 36 is a 2-digit number, so I wrote it as it is. I always need 2 digits here. So whenever, suppose you had 42, then 2 square is 4, which is a single digit number. So I will not write 4 here, I will write 04. Remember, b square should be a 2-digit number, and if it is not a 2-digit number, then you need to prefix a 0. But that doesn't work for a. A can be a single digit number or a double digit number, no problem. Okay, that is one exception you need to remember. So where should I write this 2ab, and what is 2ab here? A into b, 4 into 6 is 24, and double of that 2ab is 48. Leave one digit from here and write it like this, 48, and all you have to do is to just add them vertically. So 6 comes down, 11 means 1, 1 carried, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11 means 1, 1 carried, and 1 plus 1, 2, and there you get the answer. 2116 is the square of 46. Now you can actually do the square of 3-digit number also. For that, suppose I have 118 square. So what will I do here? I'll follow the same method. by considering 11 as A and 8 as B. And the concept works wonderfully well for the 3-digit numbers also. Okay, so let's apply this concept now and solve some questions. 27 square, 2 square 4, 7 square 2-digit number 49. 2 times 7 14, and double of 14 is 28. Leave one digit and write 28 like this. So 9, 12 means 2, 1 carry, and then the 7 gets 729. For 49 square, I have to do 4 square, which is 16, 9 square, which is a 2-digit number, 81, 4 9s are 36, double of 36 is 72, leave one digit, write 72 like this, 1, 10 means 0, 1 carry, 14 means 4, 1 carry, and the 2. 2401 is the square of 49. Likewise, I can go on and on now. See 51 square. 51 square, 5 square is 25. Now be careful here. 1 square is 1 only. So I will write 0, 1. Now this is important. I will put a star here. This is an important step. Now 5 times 1 is 5. Double of 5 is 10. Leave one digit and write 10 like this. You will get 2601 as the square of 51. Similarly, 77 square. 7 square 49, 7 square 49. So 2-digit number, no problem. Now 7 7s are 49, double is 98. Leave one digit and write 98 like this. Just add vertically 9. 12 means 2, 1 carry. 19 means 9, 1 carry, and you have the 5. 5 9, 2 9 is the square of 77. See how wonderfully the things are working. Let's have 2 more 2-digit numbers. 8 square 64. 5 square 25. 8 5s are 40. Double of 40 is 80. Leave one digit and write 80 like this. Add vertically 5, 2, 12 means 2, 1 carry, and then the 7. 7 2 2 5 is the square. 98 square 9 square 81. 8 square 64. Leave one digit. 9 8s are 72, and 72 double is 144. Write 144 like this and add vertically 4. This is 10 0 1 carry, and then the 6, and then the 9. 9604 is the square of 98. Now using this method, can you tell me a 3-digit number maybe? Suppose I have to do 137 whole square. Can you do this using 13 as A and 7 as B? Follow the same method and tell me what is the square of this number using this amazing identity method. I'll wait for your comments. And apart from this question, do practice 30, 40, 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Square them this way. 5 seconds is what you require for squaring these numbers. So practice it. Let me know in the comments. All the best for the practice part.